Integers. After watching this video, you will understand integers. You will be able to add, subtract, multiply and divide integers. What do you mean by integers? Integers are whole numbers and its opposite. What do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0 together with natural numbers. Natural number means counting numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. you call it as whole numbers. Opposite means opposite of 23 is negative 23. Opposite of negative 5 is 5. Some examples for integers are negative 55, negative 4, 0, 5, 8, 21, 20. I will show you some real life examples for integers. 5 feet below sea level means negative 5. Deposited $500 means 500. It is positive 500. Since it is positive, you don't need to put plus sign next to the number. Lost 7 pounds means negative 7. Let's see adding integers. The steps are very easy. The first step is you need to look at the sign of the integers. If the signs are same, you need to add and keep the same sign. If the signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of the number that has bigger absolute value. Absolute value means distance from 0. Since distance can't be negative, the absolute value can't be negative. I will show you some example on how to add integers. Negative 5 plus negative 8. You need to look at the sign. Here both of them are negative. So if the signs are same, you need to add and keep the same sign. So you need to add 5 plus 8 and keep the same sign. So 5 plus 8 is 13. Since both of them are negative, you need to keep negative. Let's see another one. 23 plus negative 52. If the signs are different, you need to subtract. How will you subtract? You need to subtract 52 minus 23. So 52 minus 23 is 29 and 52 has the bigger absolute value and its sign is negative, so the answer will have negative. So it is negative 29. Let's see how to subtract integers. Subtract is opposite of addition. That means, for example, 5 minus 2 means 5 plus negative 2. So for subtracting integers, first thing you need to do is convert subtraction statement into addition statement by changing the sign of the number after minus. Then apply the rule for addition. Let's see an example. Negative 23 minus 5. So first you need to convert the subtraction statement into addition. How? You need to convert this into plus. So you need to change the sign of 5. So it will be negative 23 plus negative 5. Now apply the rule for addition. What is the rule for addition? If it's same sign, you need to add and keep the same sign. Or if it's different sign, subtract and keep the sign that has bigger absolute value. Here both are negative, so we can add them. 23 plus 5 gives you 28 and keep the same sign. So it is negative 28. Multiply integers. Multiplying integers are very easy. What you need to do is, first you need to multiply the absolute values of the numbers given. Then second step is assign the sign. How will you assign? If both the numbers are same sign, you will assign a plus next to the answer. If it's different sign, you will assign minus. Let's see an example. Negative 5 times negative 11. First you need to multiply the absolute values. So when you multiply the absolute values are 5 and 11. So 5 times 11 it will be 55. Then second is you need to assign the sign. If it's same sign, positive. Here it's same sign, both of them are negative, so the answer will be positive. So the final answer is 55, which means positive 55. Divide integers. Dividing integers is exactly same as multiplying integers. The steps are same, only thing is you need to divide here instead of multiplying. So first step is divide the absolute values, then assign the sign. If it's same sign, you will add a positive to the answer. If it's different sign, you will add a negative. For example, negative 55 divided by 11. So divide the absolute values, which are 55 divided by 11, which is 5. Now then you need to assign the sign. Here it's different sign, so you need to assign negative. So it will be negative 5 is the answer. Let's see some real life examples. The temperature in the morning was negative 3 Fahrenheit. The temperature dropped 11 degrees by night. What was the temperature at night? Here, dropped 11 degree. What does that mean? It means negative 11. So when you write the statement, it will be negative 3 plus negative 11, which will be equal to negative 14. Why? Because you need to apply the rule for addition. You have to look for the sign. Here they are having same sign, so you need to add the absolute value and keep the same sign. So 3 plus 11, it is 14, and the sign will be negative. So the answer will be negative 14. Another example, an elephant at the zoo lost 24 pounds over 6 months. The elephant lost the same amount of weight each month. Write an integer that represents the change in the elephant's weight each month. So it says that elephant lost each month a particular amount over 6 months. You need to find the change in each month. So you need to divide. 24, since it is lost, it will be negative 24. Divide by 6. Again, you need to apply the rule for divide, which are divide the absolute values. So 24 divided by 6, which is 4, and then assign the sign. They are having different signs, so it will be negative. So the answer will be negative 4. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching.